Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix we restrict certain activity to protect our community Instagram problem. So if you're having this message error on your Instagram account which says we restrict or we limit on your Instagram account, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So in this video, I have 3 steps that you need to follow to fix this problem. So the step 1, now open up your Play Store and go and update your Instagram app. After you open Play Store or App Store, just update the Instagram app like this now. After you update the Instagram app now, the step 2, now go back and open the Instagram. After you open the Instagram like this now tap on your menu and tap on this profile. After you come to this profile button, now tap on this menu. From this menu, now go ahead and tap on this search. After you tap on this search, now tap on this search for accounts. Just type in account like this now. After you tap on this account, tap on this account status. Under this account status, if you come to this option now, you may likely get this last picture is not verified. So go ahead and verify this last one which says picture you can't use. So go and verify this one to be like this one. After you verify these pictures all, now your problem will solve. Now the step 3 to fix this problem now, go back. So after you open up now your Instagram app like this now, on the menu section like this, scroll all the way to down and tap on this lockout button. Now log out on your Instagram. After you log out on your Instagram now, go ahead now and restart your Instagram app. After you restart the Instagram, now before you open the Instagram, go ahead now and start by changing the internet connection that you have. Sometimes you may likely get this error because you have poor internet connection. Go ahead and change the Wi-Fi that you are using, or if you are using mobile data, go ahead and change it to another line or change it to another Wi-Fi. After you change the internet connection, now go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. After you log in button, after you log in, now tap on this, and after tap on this menu. From the menu, scroll to down. Now go to the help and support. Under the help and support, go to this report a problem. Tap on this report button. So tap on this include button. So from this option now, tap on this upload button. Make sure you take a screenshot of the problem that you used to get. Just upload the screenshot. After you upload the screenshot, now type in a message which says, please release my account. Please release my account. My account. I am not a robot. So type in the message like this now. Please release my account. I'm not a robot. If you tap on this send button, from there Instagram will help you to recover your account. Most likely the reason why Instagram gives you this error is because you are performing too much action on your Instagram account in a short period of time. Means that you are liking more posts, you are following more people on Instagram, and you are commenting much more on Instagram, and your account is not that big account. So if you're having a small account and you are just liking, following, commenting on Instagram, you may likely get this error on Instagram. So stop liking, stop posting, stop commenting, and stop following other people for like 3 days after you send the message. From there, Instagram will release your account to continue using your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.